After spending 1.5 days roaming the streets and the ghats of Varanasi, I met this man.
My name is Michael. I'm from central part of the country, India, Bhopal.
He cycles, plays football, hangs out, eats, and even sleeps on the ghats. Yes, you heard me right. He cycles and plays football on the ghats. He knows everybody and everybody knows him. He calls everyone his friend and his actual name is not even Michael. He got here by accident and I believe that he would not be the man that he is if he did not end up in Varanasi.
My actual name is Rajesh Prajapati. Okay. When I get in Banaras, there November 2008, there was a Durga festival. So all the statue, like after the festival, people going to put in this holy river Ganges. So they come with the drums and DJ. So I was dancing and I was dancing crazy. So some people give me 10 rupee, 20 rupee and say Michael dance. So that's how I get name Michael.
To understand what kind of a man he is and to establish the relationship between him and Varanasi, I have documented a typical day of his on the ghats. He started his day on Pandey Ghat with breakfast in a cafe.
There is no people, forest can be dangerous for security reason.
But sometimes his day starts differently. He plays football in the Banaras Hindu University some of the mornings. But today, after breakfast, he went to the hostel where he changed. After a haircut from his friend's store, he went to the hostel, brought his football, and after a small chat with the English tourist, he went to take bath in the Ganga. Yep, that's how he bathes.
From the source of getting water from the earth, like from the many years, 24 hours like this. In summer it's become cool, in winter it's become warm. And I'm also drinking, also people who rowing boat, they drink. Oh.
After changing again in the hostel, he walked to Asighat to get chai. Now, let's see how he got to Varanasi in the first place. Because his father was abusive when he did not work in his farm, he ran away from the outskirts of Bhopal into the city. After shuffling between multiple jobs, he found a job that would keep him engaged and one that would pay him. He started working for a truck driver that transports goods across India. Once, when they were transporting onions from Ujjain to Kolkata, he stopped at Ramnagar, where he was given money and asked to get breakfast. He got excited and happy at the sight of foreigners who he had never seen before. He followed them into the Ramnagar fort, for which he spent the money he was given for the breakfast on the entry ticket. He followed them for hours until they left and he lost track of time. He couldn't find the truck again, so he walked to the ghats in Varanasi and started doing small jobs to make a living. With time, he got to know people, started talking to foreigners, learnt English, made friends, and eventually started brokering real estate that his friends owned. This is his main source of income until today. He's also a tour guide for the tourists that come there. He does not even charge them. And that is how he got to Varanasi. After chai, he went to his friend's restaurant for lunch.
So I just went for helping group of people from Russia. They need to buy train tickets all the way to Khajuraho in travel agency. So I helped them out. I got some money myself.
After he ate, he started walking towards Assi Ghat again, where in between he met a few friends.
Hey, how was the Ramnagar? Good.
I like my food was very nice tea.
Which food you have tried?
Ramnagar.
Ramnagar.
I hear you are moving in there soon.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम चाय पीना है और कौन भी आपको आज स्कूल गई
अभी दीदी रोक रही थी बोल रही माइकल
बटर टोस्ट भैया बिजली है 2 बटर टोस्ट यू वांट टू हैव टी
Nothing.
No bun makhan.
After buying his friend's chai and bun, he goes to the place where he usually gambles. Of course, they weren't comfortable with me filming there, so I don't have any footage.
I'm doing gambling. I just had done the gambling. So whenever I won, I go to the child, buy the candle, buy the balloons from them, and be with them having some Maggie tea. So that's how I spend my day. ये मेरे गांव का बिस्किट
पानी
टीका दे दिए ना
नहीं दी हो ये भैया सबको बोल रही थी कि वीडियो बना Thank you.
कहीं लेके जाओ तुम पूरा कर दो
ले दो यार हमको तुम्हारा नहीं लाना यार मटर मुझे वाला वो ये वाला मटर तो ये
And after that, he walks over back to Pandeghat, where he ate Korean food in his other friend's restaurant. And there's a reason that he calls everyone his friend. Why?
Yeah, friendship is a better relationship for me. Like I left my family in earlier, so only relation I have with people doesn't matter how old they are. Just a friend. It's a good relation. It lasts longer. How I am is I'm very thankful to the place and the people. So I learn from the people the way how they living. So I'm become like this. People are very helpful. The city are beautiful. Yeah. So I'm playing football and everybody playing with me. So like in case if someone ask me like get me a chocolate or namkeen. So yeah, that's how I get by the time. Like people help me, so I help people because I do understand important of the time in the situation. Yeah, I never begging from people, and also that's why, like what I get from the people, I am doing the same.
All Banaras fan of Michael, and he was very hero of Banaras. Real hero in Banaras. 184 got a seat to Varuna. All people is a hero. Michael, football man.
Every second that you spend with him, you start to see something more than just a man that ran away from home. In the city that is older than time itself, where people come to live their final years, he came to begin the best years of his life. On the ghats where people do prayers and do cremations, he plays football and cycles. He gambles a lot with his friends, and at the end of the day, with the money that he wins, he buys cookies, water, chai, and balloons for the kids and then buys diyas from them. His life is inspiring, and there's lots to learn from the way he looks at life. After COVID, he told me that people understood what life meant. It was to be happy, help people, talk to people, get to know people, and to be stress-free. With a chuckle, he said that he already knew that from before. That is Michael. He is Varanasi as a person.